This is Omron's new table tennis robot, the Forphues. The Forphues can not only rally seamlessly, but it can also help the humans to learn and play table tennis. It is called sensors above the table, which can sense a person by capturing the moments by up to 80 times per second and predict where the ball needs to be placed, and it can also predict where the ball is going to bounce. It still can't beat a human as it is not fast enough to calculate spin projectiles or even the death smashes. Omron's TT robot Forphues has a different objective. It is here to prove that machines can work, play, and live with humans in harmony.
Being one of the leading organizations in robotic space, Omron has this vision for future. Well, the first key feature of this robot is sensing for predicting the object's status. A camera operates 80 times a second to measure the three-dimensional position and the speed of the ball. And this information is used to control the robot's hand in millisecond increment to enable the returning the ball accurately to the target's position. Register yourself and play a rally with Forphues right here. And just in case you're wondering what is Forphues and who is Forphues, the giant robot right behind me is known as Forphues. He's very well known as the ping pong robot.
So I was just playing with the Forphues. Okay, so I just want to know, like, how does it learn my move and how does it adapt to it? Because initially for the first few strokes I was playing very fast. Then started playing very slow. Then it also started playing very slow. So how does it learn?
We don't learn the robot. We don't teach robots. We have a camera to sense the human's motion. Okay, so fast. The sensor will read the human's motion so fast, and then it will move. So the robot can understand the balls comes fast or slow, and then when you visit, you will return it slow and fast.
Will be inter-programming techniques. We are using some function blocks, we are using different programming, internal R&D we have done. And then it is seeing the ball, it will sense the speed, rotational speed, linear speed, and at what angle it is coming. Based on that, it will move its arm to give you the best possible position for the player, so that you can put it back. It is not trying to compete you, not trying to move the ball outside. It will give you at the easiest position for you, so that you can play continuously. It's for making the people happy. If you can see the people who are playing, if you can see the expression of the people, they will be more happy.
So how was this experience right here?
It was a bit different from the usual stuff we do.
So anything else would you like to share?
Well, this is something which is innovation which tells us that we can work in harmony with the robots.
Well, very well said. We totally believe in that.
So yeah, there you go guys. That is Omron's Forphues. So this automated robot can play with you and not play against you. It is here as a display of Omron's capability in the automation field, and I got a chance to play with it, and I also got a chance to speak with the technical experts who were the reason for Forphues to see the light of the day. So what exactly Omron does? So let us talk to Mr. Samir Gandhi, who is the Managing Director of Omron Automation Private Limited, and get to know about Omron and Omron's plans for India.
Omron is a Japan-based company. They're based out of Kyoto, and this company was started in 1933. And so now that makes us about 83 years old. Today we are present in most parts of the world. We're present in about 110 countries, and in India we've been there since '96, almost 20 years. And our global structure, if you look at it, we have got 5 major divisions. One is the social business, which we do ticketing gates, traffic management systems, and so on. Then we have the healthcare. We have all seen BP monitors. We have the electronic components. We make major electronic components and relays that go on PCBs and other things. Then we have the automotive components. We make components or electronic components, keyless entry systems, for example, that go into cars and on-board computers. And last but the biggest one is the industrial automation business. If you see Make in India, you have to make world-class in India. You cannot afford to make anything less than world-class. And not just because you want to sell outside, even if you sell within India, our Indian consumer, our Indian customer is aware of what is available in the world, and all the world-class equipment is available in India. Products, equipment, everything you name it, we have it. We are an example. So we are we are providing world-class automation solutions in India. So like that, it's available for all industries. So if you have to make global quality at global efficiency scales, then you need a good automation solution. You need to have a good investment in automation, you need to invest in the right automation, and you need a reliable automation partner. That is where we as Omron come into the picture.